International Women Day is celebrated every year on the 8th of March. It is the day on which we pay respect to the dignity of the woman, and woman plays very important role as far as the human societies are concerned. They are not only maintaining the household, they are not nurturing the children, they are not only looking after the domestic work, but since time immemorial, women were responsible for giving culture, responsible for giving the social values for the human societies. Agriculture discovery is the discovery made by the woman when the men were roaming into the forest for the food, when they were engaged in hunting. Women were responsible for discovering agriculture because they identified that different types of the seeds generate, and then the plant grows, gives grains and fruits. So that is why they decided to plant it, cultivate it, and thus the discovery of agriculture came in the life of the human being, and human being got the culture. So giving culture to the human society, woman has played very important role. But if you look in the society, when language, culture in real sense was developing, the man folk made the woman slaves, and in the history we can see numerous examples wherein we tortured, we exploited the woman. And then in the modern age, the era of women's emancipation came, wherein various social reformers played important role. As far as India is concerned, women were living the life of the slavery. Though our culture says that yatra naryastu pujante ramante tatra devata, where women are there and they are worshipped, there only you will find the godliness. But in the same Indian culture, we find the mention that no freedom should be given to the woman, and you will find the women were tortured, women suffered a lot. औरत ने जन्म दिया मर्दों को, मर्दों ने उसे बाजार दिखलाया. That is what we see. And if you look in the medieval history, the dark pages, one can see. And here we have very few examples, like when the Rajia Sultana made attempt, she was made not to rule. However, she surpassed many of the problems. But in spite of this, she showed how women can rule and give power, give struggle. And then we have many examples as far as India is concerned. We have the example of Rani Channamma, we have the example of Rani Lakshmi Bai. So these are the women, they not only fought for the freedom, not only fought for freeing India from the clutches of the foreign rule, but they gave us the dignity. And that is why women are very important. Today, we can see the women are progressing in various fields of our society. They are responsible for making discoveries. Take the example of Marie Curie, or take the example of Margaret Thatcher as a politician, or Sarojini Naidu as far as India is concerned. We have numerous examples. In the freedom struggles of India, women played very significant role. As far as environment education and environment conservation are concerned, women are playing very important role. We have Medha Patkar, who is struggling and made immense sacrifice for protecting the Narmada river. The Narmada Bachao Abhiyan, started by her, was responsible in some degree to give social justice to the innumerable human being, the tribal community. We have Vandana Shiva, who started the movement wherein the women were empowered and she made the transformation. Number of examples are there in India and in whole world wherein women were responsible for transforming our society. As far as day-to-day life is concerned, if women make judicious use of the precious resources of the water or any natural resources, it is possible to transform the society. Women struggle a lot. So that is why, as far as tree plantation drive is concerned, women also can play important role. In Indian culture, we have example of the Ocimum sanctum, the basil plant, wherein early in the morning the Indian woman says, "Daratle tushige panan pan fulshige." So women not only pay respect, but women nurture tree, and if women plays important role as far as saving our natural resources are concerned, India will be strengthened, India will be more powerful. And on the International Women Day, it is our bounden duty not only to pay the respect to the woman, but we have to consider their role, their contribution, and we have to remember the way in which Rajaram Mohan Rai, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, the social reformer of India, made possible the emancipation of women. In Pune, we have the example of Savitribai Phule, who started the education, started the school for the untouchable woman. So, because of this, one can see lot of development taken place in the human society, because when women were educated, they were responsible for making lot of changes. So on the occasion of this International Women's Day, I pay my respect to the woman, and if we want to progress India, we have to provide freedom to the woman, freedom from the bondage, freedom from the social evil, and we have to initiate that the woman should be educated, woman should be empowered, and women will show that they possess the immense power more than the man to progress in the human society. So let us come together and empower women. Let us come together and educate women, so that will transform our society and will make our society strong and tough.